Is the image you're looking at the LG Nexus 5? An anonymous source who claims to work for Google tells us this prototype is the real deal, but we're not sure what to make of it. There's a good chance that some basement dweller is trolling everyone hard, but this person has an interesting story, so we thought it needed to be shared. The source claims that Google plans to release a Nexus 5 later this year, in October 2013 to be precise, and they are currently evaluating several prototypes from different manufacturers. One of these prototypes is made by LG, and it's currently using the codename Megalodon. Rumored specs for the LG Megalodon include a 5.2-inch OLED display with 1920 by 1080 resolution, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 processor with 2.3 GHz, 3 GB of RAM, 16, 32, or 64 GB of internal storage, a 16 megapixel rear-facing camera by OmniVision, a 2.1 megapixel front camera, a 3300 mAh lithium polymer battery, front position stereo speakers, a Qualcomm RF360 with LTE, integrated DVB-T antenna, and gesture-like controls like navigation and zoom. Looking over the list of specs reveals most people's wish list for the upcoming phone. Most of these parts aren't even shipping in devices yet, like the Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 processor. Several things about this leak are screaming fake to me, but I haven't been able to rule it out if this is another elaborate hoax or something that should be on the radar. We've seen Google team up with LG to produce the Nexus 4, and even though the launch had some problems, we could see Google picking LG again to deliver the next flagship Nexus device. What are your thoughts on the prototype design and the proposed list of specs?